Women are constantly looking for that one magic potion that will erase the signs of aging and give you a more youthful look. Well, right now we're going to face the truth with the top anti-aging secrets you can do at home to make you look 10 years younger. Here to help is truth and beauty plastic surgeon Dr. Jennifer Levine. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having me.
So do you really have products that we can use at home to make you look 10 years younger? That's a lot.
Yes, I mean, we have a lot of new technology now, and there's a lot of great products on the market that can really help if you start right now.
Okay, so let's start right now.
Let's
what do you
start
have
right
here?
now.
You say there's a good lotion, you need a good moisturizer or a serum, right?
Well, first what we want to do is we want to reverse some of those very early signs of aging, those fine lines and wrinkles, those textural changes that you could see right now.
Okay.
So we actually want to start with a peel.
Got it, okay.
Some of the ingredients that you can use in an at-home peel would be a low concentration of glycolic acid, or if your skin tends to be a little more dry, it would go to a lactic acid. And you can apply these either with a brush or with a pad, depending on how heavy you want to do it. And I would do this about once a week to really start the process going now.
What exactly does a peel do for those of us who don't know?
What a peel is going
Never
to
had it
do is it's going to remove those upper layers of skin. So it's going to get rid of some of those fine lines and wrinkles and get the skin ready to receive the other treatments.
So you said you have a cream version, or they're both cream versions?
So there's two ways that you could apply it. One is if you apply it with a brush, it's going to allow a little bit of a heavier concentration of the peel. If peels are a little bit scary for you or not sure, then I would start with a pad, and then once you're more comfortable, you can move on to the brush.
Great. And how long does the effect last?
Well, the effect is going to continue. It's a continuous process, so the more you do it, the better it will be.
So how often would you say?
I would do it about once a week.
Once a week, okay. And what do you have here? You have a couple of roly things. It kind of looks like one of those things you use to get rid of the dust on your clothing.
So this is
A lint
something
brush.
called a Microneedle Needler, and I could show you a little bit on your hand. So you want to apply it in a variety of different directions. And what this is going to do is it's going to create little micro breaks in your skin, and it's going to allow the active ingredients in a serum to penetrate a lot more effectively. So if you use something like a vitamin C or a hyaluronic acid, it's going to really allow it to penetrate into your skin and be much more effective. And I would do this about twice a week.
Twice a week. And why a serum as opposed to a moisturizer instead?
A serum has a little bit of a lighter formula, and it's going to allow some of the more potent ingredients, a vehicle, to really penetrate deeper into the skin.
So it will help with wrinkles and things like that?
It's going to help plump up the skin, as well as reverse the signs of aging.
Signs of aging, that's what we like. All right, and then the third one here, you have another example, Energy C, is that what this is?
So what we really want to do is we want to maintain our results. So that's going to require a little bit of dedication. It's something that I want you to do morning and night. So in the morning, we want to use an antioxidant, which is something that reverses the changes from the environment. So vitamin C is a great ingredient to use for that. And then at night, we want to use something like a retinoid, which is going to increase cell turnover and repair us as we're sleeping.
So a retinoid, and that you can get at home as well, not just from your dermatologist.
Oh yes, I mean there's many varieties. You can go to your local, drugstore and get some really good versions. Wow. So there's one for every price point.
Vitamin C is always good. All right.